Hey there, young artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, and today we're stirring up some spooky fun with a bewitching drawing. Get ready to create your very own witch's brew pot, filled with all things magical and mysterious. It's going to be a cauldron of creativity. All right, young sorcerers and artists, let's dive right into crafting our mystical masterpiece. Begin by drawing a cauldron, the heart of our witch's brew. Add two big handles on the sides, giving it an eerie and mysterious touch. Picture a splash of spooky liquid escaping from the cauldron here and there, adding to the enchantment. Now, let's brew up some magic. Draw a bat wing. And a mysterious tail sticking out of the bubbling potion. It could be a creature's tail or even an animal's. Then add a skull. Some herbs, and a magical scroll with cryptic writing on it, as if it holds the secrets of the brew. To sprinkle a bit of starry magic, add sparkles and stars with radiant lines, making it feel like pure enchantment. Don't forget to include a couple of friendly ghosts emerging and swirling around our brew. In the background, draw some leaves to set the eerie scene. To complete it, place a couple of human skulls on the ground along with some dried leaves. Time to add color and bring our magical brew pot to life. Use shades of purple for the cauldron, creating an atmosphere of mystery. Dark orange works perfectly for the brewing syrup, giving it that spooky glow. And let those stars shine in vibrant yellows. Add colorful bubbles to make it look like the potion is brewing. I hope you enjoyed creating this spellbinding witch's brew pot as much as I did. If you had a blast with this magical drawing and want more spellbinding tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art by clicking that big red subscribe button below. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up.